Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Nissan Maxima key fob. Many drivers encounter issues with their key fobs, from a completely dead battery to buttons that no longer respond. Don't worry, getting your remote working again is often a straightforward process. We'll cover the most common scenarios and provide clear, step-by-step instructions to help you restore its full functionality. A common reason for a non-working key fob is a dead battery. To replace it first, slide the release button and pull out the emergency key. Next, use a small flathead screwdriver to carefully pry apart the two halves of the fob casing. You'll find a small, round CR2032 battery inside. Remove the old battery and insert a new one, ensuring the positive side faces down. Finally, snap the two halves back together and reinsert the emergency key. If a new battery doesn't resolve the issue, your key fob might need reprogramming, especially for push-start models. First, make sure all your car doors are securely closed. Next, find the small lock button inside your vehicle, typically on the driver's side door panel. Press and hold this button for exactly 5 seconds. After releasing it, quickly press any button on your key fob within 6 seconds. Your car's lights should flash, confirming successful programming. If your key fob still isn't working after these steps, don't get discouraged. Sometimes, repeating the reprogramming process once more can resolve the issue. Always consult your Nissan Maxima's owner's manual for model-specific instructions, as procedures can vary slightly. If all DIY attempts fail, it's best to seek professional help from a certified automotive locksmith or your local Nissan dealership. They have specialized diagnostic tools to program your key fob correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.